Hello everyone, welcome to Zero Vigyan. In this video, we will talk about Aijar Brahmpur PhD admission for session July 2023. Talking about Aijar Brahmpur, Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, Brahmpur, established in 2016 by Ministry of Education, Government of India, is a center of excellence dedicated to teaching and research in basic sciences. Now talking about PhD programs in Aijar Brahmpur, PhD programs is available in physical sciences, chemical sciences, mathematical sciences, biological sciences, earth and environmental sciences. Now talking about research areas for physical sciences in high energy physics theoretical, beyond standard model physics, dark matter, neutrino physics, gravitational waves, high energy nuclear physics experimental, particle production mechanism in high energy collisions, properties of quark gluon plasma. Now talking about experimental condensed matter physics, optics or photonics, electronic material and devices, soft semiconductor and optoelectronic devices, solar cell and LEDs, X-ray spectroscopy, synthesis and characterization of quantum materials, scanning turning microscopy or spectroscopy, retinal imaging and vision science, optical microscopy, theoretical quantum condensed matter physics, quantum phase transition, quantum thermodynamics, topological insulator and superconductors. Now talking about chemical sciences, main group organometallic chemistry, small molecule activation and homogeneous catalysis, computational material and physical chemistry, organometallic chemistry, homogeneous catalysis and organic synthesis, mechanism study of metal catalyzed reaction, binding and activation of small molecules, renewable energy, synthetic organic chemistry, biological inorganic chemistry, coordination chemistry, drug repurposing and repositioning, supramolecular self-assemblies, biodegradable polymers, drug design and delivery, nanomedicine, bio and nanosensors, luminescent nanomaterials, artificial light harvesting, photocatalytic solar water splitting, and CO2 photoreduction for renewable energy research. Catalysis, transition metal catalysis and organocatalysis, asymmetric synthesis, synthesis of natural products and biological active compounds, total synthesis of natural products. Now talking about mathematical sciences, algebra, analysis, number theory and geometry. In particular, Department of Mathematical Science is looking for PhD students for algebraic number theory, harmonic analysis, geometric measure theory, partial differential equation and algebraic geometry. Now talking about biological sciences, neurobiology of brain disorders, magnetic resonance imaging and spectroscopy, artificial intelligence, metabolic kinetics in tumors using nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy, life history evolution, plant environment interaction, development biology, stress physiology, fungal molecular genetics, gene regulations, stem cell biology, human genetic disorders, genomics, genome evolution, molecular evolution, cellular metabolism, transposon and cancer genomics, host pathogen interaction, biodiversity and ecosystem and environmental informatics, sustainability science and sustainable development, data science for innovation and entrepreneurship. For earth and environmental sciences, this program is newly introduced. Now talking about eligibility criteria, for physical sciences, a minimum of 60% marks in aggregate overall percentage, not only in measuring subject, or an equivalent CGPA on a 10-point scale, 55% or equivalent CGPA in aggregate for SC, ST and PWD candidates in MSc, MS or MTech or equivalent in science, engineering and technology. Additional requirement for physical sciences is qualified national eligibility test with valid CSIR, UGC JRF or INSPIRE or any other equivalent fellowship with valid rank or score, BS or MS dual degree graduates of IJRs and BTech graduates of IITs with CPI greater than or equal to 8, qualified GATE or JEST in physics with valid rank. For mathematical sciences, MS, MSc, MTech, MPharm, MBBS or equivalent in any discipline of science, medicine, pharmacy, engineering, technology with a minimum of 60% marks or CGPA, CPI of 7 on a 10-point scale, overall percentage CGPA, CPI not only in measuring subject. In addition, a national level examination like NET, GATE, UGC JRF, NBHM, CSIR, JRF, NET, lectureship, INSPIRE PhD or any other recognized score is mandatory. The certificate fellowship must be valid at the time of admission, or BSMS dual degree graduates of IJRs and BTech graduates of IIT with CPI greater than or equal to 8. For biological sciences, MS, MSc, MTech, MPharm, MBBS or equivalent in any discipline of science, medicine, pharmacy, engineering or technology with a minimum of 60% marks or CGPA of 7 on a 10-point scale. Exceptionally brilliant candidates with BTech, MBBS, MCA also apply for PhD program in biological sciences. Additionally, a national level examination like NET, GATE, UGC JRF, CSIR, JRF, DBT, JRF A category, ICMR, JRF category first, NET lectureship, Inspire PhD, JGEE bills or any other recognized score is mandatory. The certificate fellowship must be valid at the time of admission. Or BSMS dual degree graduates of 5 years and BTech graduates of IIT with CPI greater than or equal to 8. For Earth and Environmental Sciences, this is tentative eligibility criteria. MS, MSc, MTech or equivalent in any discipline of science, engineering, technology with a minimum of 60% marks or CGPA, CPI of 7 on a 10-point scale overall percentage, not only in measuring subject. And additionally, NET, GATE, UGC, JRF, CSI, JRF or any other recognized score is mandatory. And BSMS dual degree graduates of 5 years and BTech graduates of IIT with CPI greater than or equal to 8. These eligibility criteria for Earth and Environmental Sciences are tentative criteria. For exact criteria, you can visit website. Candidates who are appearing in final year examinations of qualifying degree are eligible to apply. However, if selected, admission to PhD program will be conditional upon their completing the qualifying degree with the defined marks criteria. Now, if the transcript or grade sheet issued by institute or university have only marks, then percentage will be considered. If only grades is given, then CGPA or CPI will be considered. If CGPA is reported on a scale other than 10, like 8-point scale or 7-point scale, then equivalent CGPA, CPI will be calculated as the following formula. CGPA or CPI in 10-point scale equal to CGPA obtained into 10 divided by PS, where PS is point scale used by the institute or university. When both marks and CGPA are given, then percentage equivalent of CGPA as indicated on the transcript or grade sheet will be considered if absolute grading was followed. CGPA only be considered if relative grading was followed. A relaxation of 5% of marks or an equivalent relaxation of grade will be allowed for candidates belonging to SC, ST or PWD categories. Mere fulfilling the eligibility criteria does not entitle a candidate to be called for test and interview. Additional criteria beyond the above eligibility criteria are likely to be imposed while shortlisting candidates. Now talking about age limit. Applicants' age should be not more than 28 years at the time of joining. Age relaxation of 5 years for SC, ST, PD or female and 3 years will be given for OBC non-creamy layer applicants. Now talking about selection process. Selection will be based on interviews of the shortlisted candidates. Date of interview will be sent to shortlisted candidates by email and the same will be displayed on the institute official website. Travel allowance or TA will be paid to ST or SC candidates appearing for interview as per Government of India norm. Now talking about fellowship. Selected candidates will be eligible for either institute fellowship of 31,000 per month or fellowship as per norms of funding agency like UGC or CSIR, subject to satisfactory performance in their coursework. Now talking about IISER Berhampur PhD admission application process. Eligible candidates can apply online through the official websites of IISER Berhampur. Closing date of online application is 25 April 2023.